Hey, what's up? So today in this video, what I'm going to do is show you guys how you can make your battery last longer on a Samsung. The one I'm using is Samsung S22 Ultra. Um, as far as other Android models, I'm not sure if they're going to have the exact same settings, but I'm guessing it should more or less be the same. So what we're going to do is go to up here where it says search. We're going to hit our settings. And in the settings, I'm going to hit the search again and just type in bat, so it gives me battery. Then we're going to click on battery. So there's a couple of things you can do here. So if you don't have this on power saving, turn it on. One thing that I've noticed when you turn it on, your Google Chrome is going to go to the dark theme, but you can switch that in Google Chrome if you don't want the dark theme. So turn that on. As far as background usage limits, we're going to go there. We're going to make sure this is on, put unused apps to sleep. So there's sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps. Deep sleeping, as you can see, will never run in the background. The sleeping apps will run in the background occasionally. So this is going to dry your battery, right? So if you have a bunch of apps here, like for example this, you can go like that, click it, remove, so that's gone. So if you want to do it for all of them, you can simply select all of them like that and remove. So now we have no sleeping apps, which is good. Another thing that you can do is, where was it? Oh, protect battery. So if you don't have this on, turn it on, extend the lifetime of your battery, limit the maximum charge to 85%. So put that on. There was something else I wanted to show. Okay, so it's not that. So we're gonna go down actually now to apps. So if you put them to deep sleeping, I don't think you're going to have to do this, but it's good to check. So any apps that you have, just turn off the push notifications, because the push notifications are going to draw the battery, right? Or if it's doing updates in the back and all of that stuff. So this one doesn't have nothing. But for example, let me see, Bumble. So see, you go here, notifications, if you don't know how to do it, and then allow notifications or turn it off. So turn it off, and pretty much that is how you're going to make your battery last longer. I'm sure there's some other tips and tricks, but this is what I've been doing, and it's actually been lasting a lot longer. So I hope this video helps you guys out. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.